Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a kitchen essential that promises to elevate your home cooking, the Overmont refined enameled cast iron Dutch oven. This 5.5-quart pot is designed for a multitude of cooking tasks, from slow braises and hearty stews to perfect roasts and even artisanal bread. Let's break down what makes this Dutch oven stand out. First and foremost, the core of any good Dutch oven is its heat management. Overmont claims outstanding heat distribution and exceptional heat retention, thanks to its heavy-duty enamel cast iron construction. This means that once it heats up, it stays hot, providing a consistent temperature that's crucial for slow cooking and achieving that perfect sear or crust. The one-piece construction is also highlighted for its durability, suggesting this is a piece built to last through countless meals. A particularly interesting feature is the upgraded arched lid, which is designed to create a natural micropressure environment. This is meant to lock in flavors and moisture, preventing your food from drying out, a common pitfall with many cooking vessels. They specifically mention that this design contributes to the best results on the stovetop and in the oven, offering superior flavor for moist dishes. Moving on to the flavor-preserving design, this is where the lid truly gets its spotlight. The interior of the lid features raised water ripple condensation points. The idea here is that as steam rises from your food, it condenses on the lid, but instead of just running down the sides in large rivulets, it drips back down onto the food in smaller, more evenly distributed droplets. This constant basting is what keeps dishes succulent and flavorful, preventing that dreaded dry texture. They also emphasize that the one-piece lid design prevents steam from reaching the knob, which helps avoid rust and maintains the purity of the flavor. This is a thoughtful detail that speaks to the longevity and overall user experience. The universal compatibility of this Dutch oven is another significant selling point. It's designed to work flawlessly on a variety of stovetops, including gas, electric, and ceramic cooktops. Beyond the stovetop, it boasts an impressive oven-safe rating of up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. This versatility means you can start a dish on the stove and finish it in the oven, or vice versa, opening up a vast range of cooking possibilities. Whether you're making a rich beef bourguignon or a whole roasted chicken, this Dutch oven is engineered to handle it. When it comes to maintenance, the effortless cleaning aspect is a major win for busy home cooks. The interior is coated with a food-grade enamel, which they assure us is safe, PFOA, and PFAS-free. This means no worries about harmful chemicals leaching into your food. The smooth, flat enamel surface isn't just about safety, it's also designed for ease of cleaning. They suggest that a simple wipe with a soft sponge or cloth should be sufficient to remove most food residues. This is a stark contrast to traditional cast iron, which often requires more meticulous seasoning and cleaning procedures. Finally, the Overmont Dutch oven is positioned as the perfect gift for any celebration. The set is quite comprehensive. It includes not only the Dutch oven itself but also a cast iron user manual, a collection of 10 recipes to get you started, 2 protective cotton heat-resistant pot holders, and a heat-resistant pad. They've even optimized the lid surface texture for a more distinctive brand look, and it comes beautifully packaged, making it an ideal choice for Christmas, birthdays, weddings, and housewarmings. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons based on these details. On the pro side, the excellent heat distribution and retention are paramount for this type of cookware. The innovative lid design for moisture retention is a significant advantage, promising more flavorful and less dry meals. Its universal compatibility and high oven-safe temperature offer great flexibility. The PFOA and PFAS-free enamel coating ensures safety, and the advertised ease of cleaning is a huge relief for many. The inclusion of accessories like potholders and a recipe book adds significant value. For potential cons, while the enamel coating makes cleaning easier, it can be more prone to chipping than bare cast iron if not handled with care, especially around the rim. The 5.5-quart size is a good general-purpose size for families of 3 to 5, but for larger gatherings or specific recipes requiring more volume, a bigger size might be necessary. The one-piece lid, while beneficial for preventing knob rust, means the knob itself will get very hot, necessitating the use of pot holders. Lastly, While the product details emphasize the benefits of the arched lid, real-world performance can sometimes vary based on individual cooking habits and the specific dish being prepared. In conclusion, the Overmont refined enameled cast iron Dutch oven appears to be a robust and well-thought-out piece of cookware. It aims to combine the superior cooking properties of cast iron with the convenience of enamel coating and thoughtful design elements like the specialized lid. If you're looking for a versatile, durable, and attractive Dutch oven that can handle a wide range of culinary adventures and makes a great gift, this Overmont model is definitely worth considering. Link in the description.